Corporations have always tried to influence consumer choice. But it is a new development that consumer choice is influencing corporate behavior. Informed consumers are making choices in a variety of industries, and the beverage industry is no exception. Beer is an example of a product made from water, and for centuries, brewers have known that it takes quality water to make quality beer. Many old beer traditions have survived to this day, and in Europe, medieval beer purity laws, the oldest food quality regulations known, still govern much of modern brewing. Traditions that includes water, pure water. In fact, of the 4 ingredients for beer, water constitutes 92% of the beverage. The ancient process of brewing, changing water into beer, begins by carefully boiling water and grains until just the right moment. The master brewer knows exactly when the water has absorbed the right amount of the grain's flavor. Then a process of filtering and fermenting completes the transformation of water into the magical beverage. In today's marketplace, the careful traditions of the master brewers must now be practiced on an industrial scale. First and foremost, a steady supply of quality water must be found. The very site of this brewery at the edge of Bangkok was determined by the presence of a 200-meter deep source of spring water. Recognizing its obligations to neighboring communities, this brewery has instituted high standards in all its uses of the local water supply. To guard against impurities and achieve the quality consistent with its brewing tradition, this brewery has instituted a scientific water quality approach. Every beer that rolls out for distribution is made with water that has first been analyzed for quality. This analysis can detect any pesticides from groundwater sources that have passed through agricultural areas. It can also detect any solvents, oil, or heavy metals that may have entered water from another industrial source. The database from this analysis allows the brewery to act in time by extracting, treating, purifying, and softening the water that flows into its facility. The quantity of water used in beer making is another issue of concern. While most breweries use up to 10 litres of water for every 1 litre of beer produced, this brewery uses only 6 litres of water for every 1 litre of beer. Like many other industries, breweries must take into consideration possible harmful side effects to the environment from its waste. Each day, this brewery produces waste. But, unlike the old days, once this wastewater flows outside the brewery, it is collected in biodegradable treatment basins, where it is purified, transforming it from a foaming brown liquid mass into crystal clear water again. From traditional brewmasters to the modern, each successive generation of beer